So welcome back to another video. This is Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustle ideas into cash. At least we hope to. So yeah, talking about travel writing, there's been a lot in the news about ChatGPT. And if you haven't used ChatGPT yet, I really encourage you to do so. It's great for generating ideas. It's also great for research. So if you're a writer, it's really, really good for generating writing ideas and research ideas. So keep in mind that GPT-3 only goes up to 2021, but I understand that GPT-4 is much more up to date. There's even rumors about GPT-5. Anyway, it's amazing. It's amazing software. Travel writing is definitely a side hustle that I enjoy myself, and I know other writers who do as well. And I think it's something that's great, and that you can travel and see the world and write about it and make some money. So here are some of the basics of travel writing. Make sure you do your research, of course. And again, ChatGPT is great for that, as is your good friend Google or Bing. Wikipedia is also great for that, as are other travel websites. But yeah, I would definitely learn about the culture and history of the destination you will go to, so you have some background information before you start writing. Choose an angle. Are you going to do a foodie article, or are you going to do kind of a from the slant of bird watchers? Are you a bird watcher? Are you going to write about Thailand and what birds you can see, or what? Is it going to be an article that caters to surfers, or who? So you need to kind of think about your angle as you research, and then as you think about writing. Make sure that your storytelling is interesting. We don't want to hear about your taxi ride unless there's something interesting about your taxi ride. So yeah, it should be engaging, descriptive language. You should paint a picture of the sights and sounds, the smells, capture the essence, in other words. So take us there with your words so we can almost smell the place. In some cases, I don't want to smell the place, but yeah, in a lot of places I do. So yeah, make sure you do that. Do not reference yourself so much. We want to read about the area. And we also want practical information. So make sure you've done your research and you know some practical information that will help us, maybe tips on transportation, where to stay, things like that. And of course, we want you to be honest and authentic. We don't want bogus information. We want information that is honest and practical and truthful. Okay, we want to be able to trust you. You don't want to blow your trust with your readers. Make sure you structure your piece so that people will easily understand it and it's logical. I would really pay attention to that to make sure it's structured well and have a great ending. Edit and revise it. ChatGPT is good for that. So is an editor. So are you, especially if you leave it for a few days and then go back and look at it and try to look for mistakes. I would think you can find many mistakes. I'm amazed at how many mistakes I find with my writing. So yeah, I'm sure you can too. But a good editor is very, very important. So hopefully someone at your publication will edit for you. If not, hopefully you have someone who can. I encourage you to get very good at photography and, if possible, multimedia. Vlogging seems to be the way of the future. People seem to, I would say, read less and less on the internet and view video more and more. to the detriment of books, which is unfortunate, but that's the way it goes. So yeah, I would get good at photography, learn about that. So yeah, these are some of the basics of travel writing. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please hit subscribe if you haven't, and the notification bell if you want to be notified of our next videos, and check out some of our other videos on various side hustles. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.